Nina, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a squishy like this one. It's really stretchy and it's really squishy. Really like it. So let's get started. You'll need flour, a spoon, and a balloon. Oh, and you also need a bowl so you don't really make a mess, and you'll need a funnel. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is get your balloon and basically like push it onto your funnel. Okay, after you've done that, get your bowl and place it into your bowl. And then you need to get your flour and scoop your flour into the balloon. So basically into the funnel, and it will go inside the balloon. Okay, so if your flour is like having a hard time going in, you can sort of like shake it and tap the funnel so it can go in easier. Okay, so when your flour's, when your balloon's filled to the top with flour, you need to just tie a knot in it, like you would with a normal balloon. Yeah. And there you have a squishy. It's really squishy and stretchy. So you can draw a face on it if you want. So I have a pen here. And I'm just going to draw on a smiley face, I suppose.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.